Hello, YouTube. Uh, well, my wife came out here and got in a jacuzzi. Her legs was hurting really bad and bothering her. Yeah, that one's dead. Leave it alone. We'll have to bury it in a minute. I already know when birds fall out of the nest, man, they're almost impossible to survive after that. It's still breathing, man, and I feel so terrible, man. Mama's not going to take care of it. My mom used to raise parrots, and she says if you touch a wild bird in the nest, the mom won't take care of it no more because it smells, the scent of a human on their young, and they'll kick it out of the nest, and they won't take care of it. I just feel terrible, And I feel terrible, man. My mama could raise that thing and feed it bird food. She used to feed the birds with syringes and everything, but y'all leave it alone. Leave it alone. Y'all done licked it to death. I hate that, man. I don't know. How do you make yourself feel better? You just gotta... It's just one of those things. Anyway, I'll get off here and let y'all go, man, but I do love animals a lot, and I love this bird a lot right here. Even though he don't love me. Yeah. One of your ancestors is out there. You need to try to talk to them in bird talk. Yeah. Tell them to take care of their baby. It's okay. Yeah. This is probably the most stupidest video I ever made, man, but wish I could help the little fella. Damn. Anyway, I'll catch y'all later, man. I hope the best for that bird, man. Say a couple of prayers for my bird, everybody. It's probably the most stupidest, corniest video that you've ever seen me make, but I love nature and I love animals, and I don't like seeing something like that happen. Toothless, he was just giving it a bath. I don't think that mama's gonna try to take care of it. It's gonna die. It's just the way it is, man. Millions of animals die all the time, man. It's the nature of the beast. And I wanted to tell First Class Junkie something, man. He said, people come and people go. It's the nature of the beast. And so now every day when, or every week or however often it comes up, you know what I'm saying? I think of Pete and start getting all depressed, and it's just the nature of the beast. He helped me feel better by giving me those few words. People come, people go. It's the nature of the beast, Limpy. And so that helps me feel better, but I don't think nothing's going to make me feel better. This poor bird, he's going to die all alone, lonely. And I know how that feels, to be alone and lonely, I grew up in boys' homes. My parents kept sending me off, and that's what me and Pete have in common, man. We both had a shaky childhood, and we could relate to each other a lot, and we knew how each other felt. The only difference of my past and his past, I don't think Pete had an addiction, He was a strong soul, man. He made it through, and he turned his head and he never looked back, And he reached for the stars and become a star himself. But anyway, I'll catch y'all later. Till next time, man, and God bless this bird, man. I'll catch y'all later, man. I'm stupid to worry about a bird like this, man. Bye-bye.